Hello guys, so it is Saturday morning and I have the whole day to myself. So I think I'm gonna go to the beach because it's been like super duper hot. It's like 30 degrees today, 31 I think it's gonna be. And yeah, I love the beach, and I do this often actually in the summer. I just go to the beach by myself. Maybe I vlogged it before, I don't know, or maybe that was when I was not vlogging. I don't know, but anyways, gonna go to the beach. Then there happens to be a salsa event in Enoshima, so I'm probably gonna go towards like the Zushi area or like Hayama, Isshiki beach area, maybe. Then Enoshima, I might go. There's a salsa event that's, I don't think it's like on the beach. I don't know, I've never been to this event before, so I might go to that also. Then at night, I may or may not go to Nakano Salsa or the La Bachata Tokyo event again. I don't know. Maybe not La Bachata. I don't know. We'll see where the world takes me, where the tides lead me. I'm just going to go on an adventure. So yeah, let's go to the beach. Okay, so it's like it takes a while to get here, but it's not like super far. I take the train to Zushi station, then from Zushi there's a bus you can catch, and then it's like another 20 minutes ish bus ride, a little more than that, to get to Hayama bus station. And yeah, now I'm going to Mini Stop to get some drinks and then beach. The lower part of my arms because I wear a t-shirt for work and we have to go outside a lot, and so yeah, I'm like just tan in this weird spot. So I'm gonna put some sunscreen, this sparkly, this one I use. It's like bronzer glittery sunscreen stuff from Lally, and I love it. It smells good and it's sparkly. I'm just gonna put it on my arms and then get the rest of me tan. Then I'll put more on later so I don't fry everything. Banging it on the water, so sparkly. You can just barely see like the shadow of Fuji-san. Wow. Okie dokie, I've been chilling at the beach for a couple of hours, going in the water and then laying in the sun. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it to the Enoshima Salsa thing in time, because actually Enoshima's farther than like I thought from here, even though it's like, you know, near the ocean, but not this part of the ocean. So yeah, I don't know. I'm considering right now staying here for a little bit longer and or going to Zushi Beach, which is like a more kind of popular beach. This area is kind of more like families and chill. And they're like still building like all the beach houses and stuff, but they're gonna have like food and stuff during the summer, probably from like next weekend I think. And then Zushi's the same, so I don't know if their stuff is up yet or not, but maybe I'll go check it out and then go dancing somewhere tonight. I don't know where yet, but yeah, those are updates. It's already like a little after 3 now. Okay, I just arrived at Zushi Beach. I literally have been here 3 seconds and I've already heard salsa music. That's a good sign. So here's Zushi Beach. The seashells are better here too. There's a lot. often come to Zushi Beach, but man, I think I should have come here first. Usually I go to the Isshiki Hayama beach because it's like really chill actually. There's like two like groups of people playing salsa music like right next to each other, and it's just like, wow. A little bit shy, or else I could like, I don't know, talk to them maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Yes.
Como dice tu alegría, amada mía, en mi jardín hay otra flor tan bonita como tú. Te quiero, te adoro, eres razón de mi vida. Eres la flor, escucha como dice la mía. Te quiero y te adoro, rompe el pavimento con tu alegría. Gardenias para ti.
Okie dokie. So I came from the beach to Nakano for salsa. So now I'm going through Nakano Broadway and I can get Nakano salsa, which Ichi-san and Manami are not here because they're in New York, but it will be Mizuno-san. I guess he did the lesson by himself today, and I don't know who else is going to be there. So anyways, let's go dance some more salsa, except not on the beach this time.
Keep on, keep on. Keep on, keep on. Yeah, it's good. Perfect.